It is a sunny day in Toyland. Perfect weather for a cool ice cream soda.
Good, no? Yum, 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 Miss Pink Cat. Your ice cream sodas are the best.
Noddy, how would you like to have all the ice cream you can eat?
Boy, would I!
Well, that's what I'll give you if you will do something for me.
What would I have to do?
The ice cream parlor keeps me very busy and I need someone to drive me all the time and everywhere.
But I drive for lots of folks. I wouldn't want to let them down.
Do they give you chocolate sodas, strawberry milkshakes, googleberry sundaes, as much as you want? Well, what do you say?
I will. I'll start with a chocolate sundae and a strawberry...
Before you get the ice cream, I need you to run an errand.
Errand? I thought I was going to drive you.
Running errands is part of being my driver. There's a package waiting for me at Dinah's stall.
Can I have just one teeny ice cream cone first?
No, I want you to go now and hurry.
Hi, Noddy. What's the rush? Hello, Dinah. Miss Pink Cat sent me to pick up an important package.
I have that. Now I just have to find it. Oh, here it is.
Huh? A handkerchief? Are you sure this is all she wants?
Yep. She buys lots of them. Always one at a time. She likes the way they feel when they're brand new.
I'm going to be your driver now. All the time and everywhere.
Really? You sure that's what you want? She can be, you know, fussy.
Fussy? What do you mean?
At last! I was beginning to think you would never get back.
I hurried, and now I'm ready for some of that ice cream you promised.
No, I need you to drive me somewhere, and I want to go now.
Okay, where to?
The town square.
Huh? But the town square's right there.
If I wanted to walk, I wouldn't have a driver. So drive. This door isn't going to open itself. Wait for me. And Noddy, try not to slouch. Noddy!
Huh?
Wake up! I can't have my driver sleeping on the job. I am late for my next appointment.
Oh, sorry. Where are we going?
Back to the ice cream parlor.
But it's right there.
Are you a taxi driver?
Yes?
Then drive your taxi. I was beginning to think we'd never get here. And Noddy, next time, try to avoid the bumps.
Oh boy! Now I can have an ice cream soda and then a giant bowl of...
No. I have another errand for you to do. Go to Dinah's and get me another hanky. This one is all wrinkled.
But...
Now, Noddy.
Hello, Dinah. I'm here for another hanky.
What's wrong, Noddy?
I like driving people places 'cause it's fun. But driving Miss Pink Cat all the time and everywhere feels like a job. And she has me running errands and doing chores, and I've been so busy I haven't had time for a single scoop of free ice cream. Driving here, driving there, driving to her shop. I've been driving everywhere, I feel like I could pop. Fetch me this, bring me that. Dinah, she won't stop. Working for that kitty cat, I feel like I could pop. And she won't even let me quit. I don't know why. She doesn't like the way I do anything.
That's just the way fussy folks talk. If you didn't drive so well, she wouldn't want you to drive her at all.
Really? She wouldn't want me to drive for her if I was bad at it?
Noddy, there's a bump in the road. Go around it. What did you do that for?
You told me to go around.
That's not what I meant. Now we are going the wrong way. Turn here. What are you doing? You can't drive on the grass.
You told me to turn here. I'm just doing what you tell me to.
Well, stop it. I meant stop being so silly, not stop the car. Get me out of here. I meant get me out of the town square, not out of the car. Just drive to the street.
Why are you angry? I'm just doing what you want.
Well, don't do that anymore.
You told me not to do what you want.
Stop this car! That's it. Move over. I'll drive.
I'm not sure you should.
I insist.
Halt in the name of Claude! Miss Pink Cat, I'm surprised at you. You know better than to drive on the grass.
But I never meant to be on the grass. I mean, I was trying to get back to the street. Tell him how it happened, Noddy.
She told me to let her drive.
May I see your driver's license?
I don't have one.
I'm afraid you'll have to come with me to the police station.
What? I am no criminal.
You're not under arrest. I just think we'd better discuss a few things about driving in Toy Town. Noddy, kindly put your car back on the street where it belongs.
Miss Pink Cat, should I wait for you at the police station?
No, don't wait for me anywhere. I don't ever want to get in a car with you again.
And don't go too far, Noddy. I will speak to you about your driving later.
Well, you seem happy. You're not here for another hanky, are you?
Nope, I'm not Miss Pink Cat's driver anymore. I drive for everybody again.
That's great, Noddy. But it's too bad Miss Pink Cat was so fussy with you.
Well, after talking to Mr. Plod, she realized she was being unfair. And now she's paying me all the ice cream she owes me.
How much ice cream is that?
More than both of us can eat. But we can sure try.
Then let's go.
We all have friends from everywhere, and they use new words that we can share. Learn a new word today, let's have fun while we play. Say it with Noddy. Say it with Noddy.
Hello, everyone. I'm Wiz. Let's speak Mandarin. Today, Noddy promised to be Miss Pink Cat's driver if he could have all the ice cream he wanted.
I hurried, and now I'm ready for some of that ice cream you promised.
Hi, Noddy. Whew, it is really hot today.
That's why I have this ice cream. I'm going to give it to all of my friends.
Here are new words for ice cream.
冰激凌
Say it with Noddy.
冰激凌 I can say it! I can!
Whenever Noddy wants to give somebody some ice cream, say this.
冰激凌
冰激凌
Ice cream? Oh, gimme! Thank you!
冰激凌
Gimme! Thank you!
冰激凌冰激凌
No.
Yummy!
Martha Monkey, it's not nice to take so much for yourself.
But I'm not! It's for the little Skittles!
Then take these. I'll get some more.
Thank you!
冰激凌 Saying words in Mandarin is fun.